Hey, Skull Society, I came across your Amazon listing and I was checking out your Amazon strategy. I've seen a large module on your listing that you aren't utilizing, which is very useful. We'll talk about that as we move forward. In this video, I'm going to talk about PPC SEO catalog and merchandising. My name is Razamul Rosario and I'm from my Amazon guy. First is I want to jump onto this tool where we can see your keyword distribution. Checking on your keyword distribution well done with your sponsored and organic keywords. However, I see that they can still be improved. Well, with your sponsored keywords, you may want to think about banking more on this because we all know Amazon has plastered all these ads on the top of the search result. Of course, you'd like to have that share of exposure with your product. Plus, advertising is the most powerful and fastest way for you to grow your sales here in Amazon. We all know that and we can help you with that. And with your organic keywords, this can still be improved. There are thousands of additional keywords you can definitely index for, and organic keywords can also help you get seen on Amazon. What I did here is I sorted the data of the most researched keyword that is relevant to your product, and as you can see, with just the word card decal, there's 9,000 people plus looking for this, but you aren't even indexing to it. So these spaces are the keywords you aren't indexing but Amazon recommends you to. That's why it's on your list. With just these keywords, you're missing out a lot of opportunities. This could be your sales. And the more I scroll down, I've also noticed that most of your organic ranking is running on a triple digit. Whenever you rank 100 and above, you are getting pages deep. Low chance of getting seen by a customer here in Amazon. Of course, you don't like that to happen. It's rarely insufficient to just be organically ranked. Now, let me show you what we do here in our phase 3 of our SEO process. Let's check your keyword strike zone. So I applied 20 to 50. Let's see how you're ranking here. You do have 161 keywords that currently do not produce much for you. To be exact, they are really benefiting you because of their high ranking. But then again, you don't have to worry. We can help you with your advertising and we can grow more your organic keywords with our whole SEO process. We optimize listings to rank them higher. With that being said, we can help you out of these rankings and move you to top 10. And of course, we can get you those helpful keywords export if you take a phone call with me. We focus on strike zone keywords here in my Amazon guys phase 3 of our SEO. Now going back to your main page, I'd like to point out the things I've noticed too. First is your title. It's very short. Ideally, would like to see 200 characters on your title, which also Amazon recommends. And this is actually an SEO opportunity for you. So you may want to consider updating your title and add as many keywords as you can. Talking about importance, well then for having a lot of bullets in here, but we also recommend having 250 to 500 characters each of the bullet. Just like your title, this can also be your SEO opportunity, plus it can help you with your conversion. Can you imagine in just this part of your listing, you can insert a lot of keywords. Now with your images, I do love the product, very well done. I love the design, but I'm currently missing something. Would like to see at least 6 images with a video, infographic, and a demographic. You do have the infographic, but you may want to add more on demographic, a lifestyle picture with a human picture too on your listing. That's gonna be more effective and efficient. Now, scrolling down to your A plus content, I've seen that you don't have an A plus content, and that is also a massive opportunity. There are actually a lot of ways for you to generate SEO traffic using your A plus content. Here's a quick example. This is a brand of Mom's Steer by Stephen Pope, owner and founder of my Amazon guy. And using your A plus content, you can generate SEO traffic by having 500 crawlable words in a copy. And aside from that, is have at least 6 to 7 modules because their alt text matters. Each of the alt text can hold 100 characters, means to say can put different keywords to different alt text. Plus, the most exciting part is you can also add a brand story on top of your A plus content. Here is where you can share us how you brand yourself, about the product history, and what makes this product unique and special. So here at my Amazon guy, we're a 300-person full service agency and we do everything to grow your sales you saw in this video and much more. We grow traffic through PPC and SEO. We grow conversion rates through design and catalog merchandising. Of course, we give you peace of mind. We handle Amazon so you can focus on your business. I hope you found this video valuable. We would love to chat with you further. So book a free meeting with us today. You'll be meeting to one of our executive manager. I'm gonna email you the calendar to